I will send you the download link for this. Next, the MSR 605X. This is what you're going to use to read and write this strip. So I'm going to come over here. This is the exact one I have. I ordered off of Amazon. Works great. And next thing, you need an OmniKey. This is for the actual EMV chip on the blank clone card we are going to buy. I have this one right here, but people also use this one. It's really personal preference. Either works. I just use this one because it was a little bit cheaper. You can do whatever you want. Alright, and the last thing we need is the actual blank card that we're going to be cloning on. And it's going to be this unfused J2A040 Java chip JCOP card right here. It has to be Java. A lot of people will make the mistake of buying the SLE4442 chips because they look very similar. You know, they have the chip right there, they have the mag stripe. Everything looks similar, but they will not work. We need the Java. Anyways, once you've ordered that, all the things you've needed to buy are complete. We're ready. One thing you don't need, but I would recommend, is Tor for online safety. You can never be too cautious with stuff like this, as well as a VPN. I use CyberGhost 8. It's great. It's very cheap. And if you cancel within the first month, they will give you all your money back. It's a great deal. Alright, now we're going to get into the actual card info that we're going to clone on our JCOP blank cards later. Disclaimer, before you actually buy any cards, you need to make sure you buy the same type of card that you have in your wallet. This may seem weird, but let me tell you why. It's kind of hard to explain before we've gone into it, but there's this thing called an IST file, and basically when you're cloning a card, you need to have the proper IST file, and the only way you can get that is from an actual valid credit card. So if you have, let's say, a Bank of America debit card, Visa, you need to order the exact same one. This is bigfat.cc. It's a big dump site, trustworthy. It works. I'd recommend it. A lot of dump sites, they'll scam you and take your money. Alright, y'all, moving on. Let's say you just purchased your first dump right here. What you're going to do first is open the software right here, JCOP 2.0. We're basically going to need to erase and format our blank JCOP card. So from here, plug in your OmniKey and take your blank card and put it in the OmniKey. After that, you're going to click delete and then format. That's all you have to do. Close it, and first step has been completed. Alright, so next step after we've done that is to use this ATR tools right here. The software is a little finicky. My computer picks it up as malware, even though it is obviously not. I'll run it. I have to disable Windows Defender to run it, or it will delete it. It's kind of annoying, but it's just how it is, I guess. So once you're here, you're going to click Reader, choose the OmniKey, select the top option right here, J2A040, select ATR, and you're going to select whichever fits the dump you purchased. I'm going to just go this one for the tutorial, and you can click Set, and it'll set it on your card. Change ATR success. Look at that. If you are having trouble or don't know which one to choose, what you can do is click Check Bin. Type your bin in, do 443567, let's say, check bin, and it'll give you details about your card. Makes it a lot easier. After that, what we want to do is go back to our software pack and open CardPeek. This is basically gonna let us know if we did it right. It's very important. Select a card reader to use. Alright. Analyzer, ATR. And so if you did it right, it should look like this. It should give you details about the card, Visa Gold, and the Spanish branch of ING District. If you did it wrong, it'll say something like Nigerian blank card, followed by some numbers, I'm pretty sure. That's how you tell. So if you did it right like this, you can close, and you're set to go. Alright, next step, what we're going to need to do is open the software MSRX and plug in our MSRX 605X, the mag reader and writer, or the mag stripe reader and writer. This software does not come in my pack, but it does come when you purchase the reader and writer itself, so you get it along with that. What we're going to do is we're going to take track 2, we're going to copy and paste it into the track 2 section, and then we're going to go to this site right here, enter our track 2, we're going to look first and last name, go first, last, and then we're going to click generate. From there you have this, and this will be our track 1. Take that and paste it in track 1. And then after that, we're going to set this to write, and you want to swipe your card to set the information on it. Alright, after you've done that, click cancel and click read, and we're going to make sure that the information is on there. Yep, just like that. We have track 1 and track 2, and we are ready to continue. In the EMV tab, what you're going to want to do, I already filled this out, but I'll walk you through it. Track 2, you want to copy and paste from your dump right here. For the AID, put 31010. For the country code, this is the United States country code, 0840. It is also the same currency code. You don't have to put the card holder's name, just click erase holder name. You can if you want, but I chose not to. The PIN, just put the PIN from the dump right there. Application label, you're going to want to refer to